Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. Current temperature is 35 degrees and snowy. That's right, snowy everybody. Anyway, we gotta fix the old side-by-side. As you can tell by the title, we got a broken tie rod, you guys. That's right. When the daughter was driving around the side-by-side, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago, the barrel of the wheel exploded and smoked out the tie rod. So we got a new wheel for it, but we got to fix the tie rod. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me today. We'll pop the old one off. I'll show you the broken one. We'll put the new one on. And hey, if someone out there needs to know how to put a tie rod on their Can Am Defender, we're going to walk them through and show them how to do it. So let me grab the parts. Let's get this wheel off and let's get to work, everybody. All right, you guys, let's pop this bad boy off. As you can see, it is a brand new rim. Yes, I'm not gonna lie, it is a brand new rim. I did throw it on real quick just to make sure it fit and it was the right back spacing, but we got ourselves a new rim. Let me roll this off to the side. That is right. Can you see it? This right here, ladies and gentlemen. See, looky here, looky here. This is what we got. Yes, let me take a little closer. There you go. See, we have a broken tie rod. So yes, we do have a brand new one. Show it to you over here real quick. All right, so what we got is our brand new one right here. You see it in the baggie. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Here's your part number if you need to get one for yourself. And yeah, we're gonna grab some tools up. Let me start tearing this apart. Let's put the new one on, you guys. All right, first thing you gotta do is you gotta take this little cotter pin you got right here out. Make sure the suspension doesn't come apart while you're on the trails. Next, we're going to do the bolt here and the bottom bolt. All right, you guys, we got it pretty loose. Here's our bolt. Bolt out. Put that down here. And L tie rod is removed. Check it out. All right, well, let's get the other piece off. So I grabbed a 19 millimeter and some vice grips to hold the backing nut. And this has a flat side to it, y'all. And just kind of refund a little bit. And look at that, we got it free. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the broken piece is out. So there you go. There's your broken tie rod removed. We'll put it next to the new one. Well, there's your broken one compared to your new one. New one, broken. All right, well, let's install the new one, everyone. Come on now. There it goes. Okay. This should slide up into here. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. There it goes. There it goes. Success! All right. Tie rod's in. Let me snug everything up. All right. All right, we got ourselves a tie rod. We always got to snug up the ends. Cotter pin back in. Don't want that backing out. All right. And everything's all nice and tightened up, everybody. All right. New tie rod, new wheel. Luckily, we were able to salvage the tire. All right, let me lower this down. Put old Bessie on the ground. There she goes. All right. Well, check it out, everybody. We're back on the ground. That's right, tie rod's fixed, new wheel and tires mounted. It's ready to do some work. Let me take you over here to the window briefly, everybody. Check it out. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. We got ourselves a nice fresh 1.5 inches of snow today, which prompted me to get my friggin' fat butt out here and start cranking on this Can Am and get it fixed. It has been broken for about 2 months, and I've been kind of brushing it off, and when the snow came, I knew it was time to get out here and get it fixed. So brought you guys along with the adventure. So hey, if you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, give me a like, smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
We're gonna take this goddamn rim off. You ready? Here we go.